Hi everyone, so I came to do a quick review, not just a review, but to basically talk about this brand of cake mix. So it's made proudly in Trinidad and Tobago, and the company's name is Butter Up Cakery, and logo is easy as can be. This time what I bought was the vanilla sponge in the cake mix. I normally buy the sprinkles or confetti, but the one with the lot of pretty color sprinkles in it. I normally purchase that one. What I want to also mention is that they have it in red velvet and they also have it in chocolate. And what I want to say is that this, as stated, is a local brand that is made in Trinidad, and it's cheaper than the Betty Crocker, and it's 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, half cup vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and it bakes just as easy. It makes one, can't remember how deep my pan is that I use, but it makes the pan, and I normally use it as a treat for my kids to take to school. And I wanted to share it because it is a fraction of the cost of Betty Crocker. I never knew the brand before, but someone at the supermarket told me to try it. And I can say that the prices vary based on the cake mix, but they are all $25 or less in Tobago. So I can't see what the price is in Trinidad, but based on Tobago, it's $25 or less for the package. So I just wanted you all to know, and maybe when I buy another one to try it, I will show you what the color looks like. And I may even come back and show what the texture of the cake looks like, but it tastes great, and my daughters enjoy being able to make it. So I just take out the ingredients and they basically put it together, and I pour and check the color in the oven. So thanks for tuning in, and I just wanted to show you this. If by chance you may have seen it in the supermarket and you were not sure, I can attest to say that it's a great buy.